project for the birds. Let's go home and show them how to make it. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Get Started by 3 Sisters. And if you're new to our channel, hi, I'm Riley and I'm 12. I'm Reese and I'm 10. And I'm Grace and I'm 8. Today we're going to show you guys how we feed the birds. And then we're going to show you how we feed ourselves. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For more videos in the future, make sure to hit that bell. Now on to the video. And to make bird feeders, you'll need toilet paper rolls, peanut butter, and sunflower seeds, and string. The first step that you're going to do is you're going to paint the bottom of your toilet paper roll so it'll add some color. The next step is to puncture 2 holes on the side of your bird feeder. Now we're going to tie some string around the toilet paper roll so it can hang on the tree. The next step is to put peanut butter all over the bird feeder except where you've painted it. Roll the bird feeder in the seeds. And this is the final result. Now we're gonna go try these outside. Alright guys, so we've just finished our bird feeders and now we're at Gateway Trailhead and we're going to put our bird feeders up so the birds can eat some delicious lunch. Let's go! If you haven't guessed already, we live in Arizona, and while we're waiting for birds to visit our bird feeder, we're going to go hike Gateway Trailhead, so let's go! Isn't that pretty, guys? Tree that probably got struck by lightning. That's a cactus that fell over. See the bones in the cactus? This kind of cactus is called the jumping cholla. So if one is on the ground and you walk too close to it, it'll jump onto your shoe or your shin. Oh, it's warm. Look at the flower, it's pretty. Good. This is called a creosote bush. So when it rains, it makes the state smell really nice. Alright guys, we've been hiking for about 45 minutes now. Let's go back and check on our bird feeder. And what do you say about going to HB Wellness, guys? Yeah! Let's go! Okay guys, so now we're going to go check on our bird feeders and see if any birdies have eaten our seeds. Alright guys, so we're done with our hike and we're here at our favorite place, HB Wellness, right guys? Yeah! So let's go in and get a shake. Yeah. This is Hannah.
Hi guys.
So what's so important about the tea?
So all the teas are green tea based. Green tea helps you boost your metabolism, burn roughly 90 to 120 calories, and it's also sweetened with aloe vera. And the aloe vera helps you digest everything better in the shakes. It's good for your gut and helps everything move along nicely. Yeah.
Look at all the flavors they have.
And the secret menu too.
Yeah, and this is the secret menu.
There's my 1%. All right, girls. What teas today?
They 3 pieces.
3 peaches. All right.
And I'm going to give you some samples today. This is
Thank you.
banana bread. I don't think you guys have ever had this one.
No, it's really good.
All right. Here's one of them.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tea or shakes today?
Pina colada, please. Pina colada. Okay. We're just going to do 3 pina coladas.
All right.
What's the most popular shake?
All right, we have a couple that are amazing. Most of them are amazing, but some of the top ones are birthday cake, banana cream pie, sugar cookie, coffee ice cream, vanilla magic bar, mint ice cream. And I know it sounds like they're unhealthy because it says ice cream in them, but they're all under 250 calories, 24 grams of protein. There's no ice cream in it, it's just water and ice based.
Yeah, that makes our mom happy. And what's your favorite shake?
That's hard for me. I like a lot of them, but some of my favorites are sugar cookie because I made that shake, so I'm a little biased by that. But that one and birthday cake and banana cream pie are honestly some of my favorites.
And is HB Wellness just in Arizona or nationwide?
This is our only location that we have, yes. So it's only located in Arizona.
So guys, if you're here in Scottsdale, you'll have to stop by HB Wellness. The address will be in the link in the description box below. I normally get birthday cake every single time, but I'm getting today. But pina colada is new, so I'm gonna try it.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Thanks for coming to see us.
Okay,
Do you like it?
That actually tastes like one.
and it's good for you.
And it's good for you, and I love that.
Good day. Thanks for coming in. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Give me a test.
And if you're new to our channel, hi, I'm Riley, I'm Race, and I'm Bob.
Sisters, today in this video,
Is we're gonna